How's it going, guys? Eric here from Techisode TV, and I have spent the past 6-ish hours trying to get the HomePod to connect to my iPhone 10. And I looked online, and apparently a lot of people are having this issue, and it's an issue with the wireless network. And let me just show you guys what the problem is here. So I'm going to go ahead and unlock my iPhone 10 here. I'm going to bring it close to the HomePod, and as you can see, it's starting to try to connect. So if I tap this, I get this error, and a lot of people are getting this error with their iPhones or iPads. A lot of people are seeing this, and I've done so many things to try to fix it, and I finally found a solution. So you don't have to worry about changing any crazy router settings or anything like that. It's actually really easy. All you have to do is go to your settings, then tap the little I next to your wireless network, then uncheck auto join. Then you just back out and try to connect to the HomePod again. And by the way, if when you bring your phone close to the HomePod, you don't see it pop up anymore, all you have to do is lock your screen, then unlock it, and then bring it close again, and then the HomePod will pop up. I don't know why the HomePod picture isn't popping up right now, but that's okay. So let me show you guys this here. Now I'm going to click setup again, and now all of a sudden it just works. So that's the workaround, guys. Now you'll be able to just go ahead and get everything set up and start using your Apple HomePod. But I actually made an entire video talking about how it didn't work. And I talked about how I reset my router, like completely factory reset it. I tried all these different crazy settings, and there's like, I don't know, a 6-7 minute video of all these different things I was trying to get this to work, even going through forums and stuff like that. And finally, I found the fix. So I just literally just canned the entire video, and now I just have this video here. So that's that. Oh, and if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while and you're wondering where the iPhone 10 versus Galaxy Note 8 video is, that's still coming. It's just there's a lot in that video. I'm trying to cover as much as I can in that, so I'm still working on it. I'm getting there. It's still in the pipe. It'll be here eventually. Anyways, that's how you get your HomePod set up if you were having the network error that I've been having, and apparently a lot of people have been having. That's how you get it fixed and get your HomePod up and running. Like the video if you liked it, share it if you loved it, and subscribe to see the rest of my HomePod coverage. That's it for this Techisode. See you guys in the next one.